Welcome to PASS. This is a tutorial on how to complete an assessment. This includes how to grade a student, comment on a student, and finally see the results of the assessment. When you first log in as a student or a teacher, you'll be redirected to the assessment list page. In our case, our active assessment is a technology report assessment. We're going to click on it to complete the assessment. The first thing to notice on this page is the currently assessing list. This is a drop-down list which contains the students that we're going to assess. Currently, we're assessing Catherine. The next thing to notice is the rubric that we're going to use to assess Catherine. Vertically, we have the criteria, and horizontally, we have the levels. To grade Catherine, we can use the drop-down lists located to the right. The drop-down lists have the levels, in this case, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We can select 4 to give Catherine a 4 on the logic and organization criteria. A second way to grade Catherine is by clicking on any one of the cells. For example, we can give a 3 on language by clicking the cell. Notice when we click a cell, it updates the drop-down list. We can click 4 and change it to a 4. We can click a 1 and change it to 1. Let's finish assessing Catherine. We can clear a grade by clicking the dash of a drop-down list. At the bottom of a page, we have the comment section. Here we can enter any comments for Catherine. Next is how to navigate to the other students of the assessment. Back to the drop-down list, we can select any one of the students to assess that student. For example, we can click on Richard. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've already graded the students of this assessment. Another way to navigate to students is by clicking the previous or next student buttons. If we click previous, we should return to Catherine. If we click next, we should return to Richard. Finally is the summary button. Clicking the summary button directs us to the assessment summary page. This displays a table of all the grades I assessed. We can click on any of the rows to return to that specific assessment. For example, we can return to Richard by clicking on his row. Remember, you can always use the help buttons, which give you a quick tip on how to use the page, and furthermore, you can use the more info button. I hope this was a helpful tutorial.